Wallet Connect is a secure way to connect your wallet to decentralized applications, dApps, without sharing your private keys. In this guide, we'll show you how it works using ULucky as an example. 1. Open the Wallet Connect section. Go to Settings arrow. Wallet Connect, the fourth item in the list below Hard Wallet. Tap the Connect button at the bottom of the screen. 2. Scan the QR code. Point the scanner at the QR code displayed on the ULucky website. 3. Confirm the connection. In the pop-up window, check the website, network, and wallet address. Then tap Confirm. 4. Done. The connection has been established. You can continue using the application in your browser. You can now put your phone away. The connection remains active for 7 days, even if you close the app. There is no need to reconnect every time.